Hi, I'm Justin from Wagan Tech, and today we're taking a look at the BriteNite LED Spotlight, the R600, item number 4320. The R600 has three lighting modes, high, medium, and low. Also features IP44 water and dust resistance, and is also micro USB rechargeable. To use the light, depress the trigger once for high, again for medium, one more time for low, and then a final time to turn it off. To recharge a light, simply plug in the supplied micro USB into the bottom of the handle, then plug the other end of the USB into a USB power source. Alternatively, you can use the 12-volt DC to USB adapter as well. And that's been our quick look at the Wagan Tech R600 LED Spotlight, item number 4320. Thank you for watching.